Hi, this is Isaac with Austin Block Company. I'm their foreman. We're going to go over a few things on setting these blocks here. These are Lego concrete blocks. Quite heavy. We're going to use this machine here, this excavator, to go ahead and set them down. But before we do that, we got to dig over here. So follow me. Since this area is going to be filled with a lot of dirt, we're going to have to build this wall here to retain it. This section here, we're going to have to push it as much as we can towards the fence. Dig down about 10 inches. Therefore, the block will be buried 10 inches and build up from that. Therefore, it's able to hold the pressure and amount of pounds of dirt that we're going to fall on it. And pretty much after we dig down, we have to level and compact. And as we work our way out, we're bringing it out a couple of feet this way. It's pretty much around right here. Then we're gonna have to come into that direction, make it end at that end over there. And it might take us a couple hours, not much. Pretty basic stuff.